Hey Moni family, it's Lauren, and today I'm here at the lab with Jamie Ross, our chief science guy, and today we're going to do a little demonstration for you. Now, as you may already know, Refinish Control Hairspray is non-flammable. Jamie, can you tell us why it's non-flammable? Why you decided to make Refinish Control Hairspray non-flammable?
Yeah, that's correct, Lauren. MONAT is focused on being green, recyclable, renewable. Traditionally, most hairsprays use flammable propellants such as propane or butane, but we want to do something different with MONAT. So what we did is we used a propellant that is non-flammable, that is green, recyclable, renewable, and also that does not promote ozone depletion. So we are using a propellant in here that is non-flammable. The whole product is non-flammable. We can demonstrate that.
Oh, cool. So does that mean that it's better for the earth, better for our environment?
Absolutely. It's
awesome.
Like I said, it's non-ozone depleting, so it certainly is.
Cool. All right, well, let's get started.
And we want to stress that this is not something you want to try at home. This is not something you should do at all. In fact, we'll leave it to the experts. We're here in the lab. We're in a fume hood in a controlled environment. So here we go.
Here we go.
We have a match here, and we will light
No camera tricks here.
the match.
Try this
And
one.
Lauren will hand me a competitive hairspray that uses a flammable propellant, and you can see
Wow.
it's like a little flamethrower.
To think that we're putting this
And
on
I
our hair.
will use the MONAT Refinish Control Hairspray,
Wow.
and it extinguishes the flame right away. So does not promote flammability. This is non-flammable, and as we said before, recyclable, renewable, and does not deplete the ozone layer.
Now,
Absolutely.
please, we have to stress, do not try this at home. As we mentioned earlier, we're in a controlled environment. We want to hear what you guys think about this demonstration. Sound off in the comments below.
MONAT, we are modern nature.